set everything up that we could for this kitchen build. And we found out all the pieces we were missing, the cabinets we were missing, and the extras that we had. So we were missing 4 packs of 110-degree hinges, which is why there's some that do not have the doors on. And we were missing an 18-inch base cabinet, which is crazy. We did have all the parts on the shelves, on the drawers, on the door fronts, or drawer fronts. So that's actually gonna go right here. So when I designed this kitchen, I was with the lady at IKEA, and she couldn't figure how we can make this flush on this side. So basically, this little island head deal is part of the counter space, but it's kind of like an island, so that's what we're saying. Anyways, so the 18-inch cabinet will be going here. This is gonna force itself back a little bit, and then this whole unit here, we're gonna have to slide it to the left. And then I will put a spacer in between this one here, and then we should make this opening for the stove a perfect fit so it doesn't look weird. So that's my plan today. I'm gonna get to the rest here, get that one, get the 18-inch, and then put the sink door on, and this will be for the dishwasher right here. Yeah, it's coming along beautiful. All right, let's get to work. You guys want to make sure there's an arrow here. Make sure that's facing out. All right, we got big hinges here. Got them open. This is one of the things that we missed. We did that. So again, this is going to be pretty easy, guys. So seriously, just go into the hole, tap them in. This little flapper right here, hold that down, sinks it in, and the anchor is spread out. So pretty strong. Get a rubber mallet, makes everything so much easier. That's all it is. Almost. And we got these, they go into the cabinet itself. I bring it up one hole, put them in, I'll show you. All right, welcome to the sink. I did it again. These fucking flappers, I did not fold them down. Boom. Snap it in, set this off. Make sure you don't scratch the face. And there's an arrow. See that arrow right there? That's gonna be facing towards you. Now, which way do we want the doors open? We'll go this way. So one hole up, sink it in, and one hole down. Sink it in, get your drill. What I found here, once they're lined up, bend it this way, close it a little bit, and then they snap it a little easier. There, that's it. Then you might have to adjust it. Again, this one here, it's sitting a little low, this one's a little high, so we'll adjust it when everything's done. Now I just need to build that 18-inch cabinet that goes right there. All right, so now I got the cabinet from IKEA today. I can build that 18-inch base cabinet, and that's gonna go right here. And that's the spacer there. It was for 2 inches of space on either end of the stove. Let's get to work. All right, tear this shit open. Basically, there's gonna be 2 little tracks on it. One track that goes to the right. Then the other track, same thing, goes to the left. Tie it in. There we go. Instructions. And your hardware. 6 acres, big hole, small hole, acres, one small hole. And then your dowels, your acres, so push it in. Really have a wife with me, she does all the dowels and the acres, and that's great for her. She does too. So slide in. First one might take a little bit, but walk after that. You should just slap it. Alright. There. Now we're going to put the support here. Let's do this in place. Another support. We're done. That's the cap. Hold it back. Right, flip it over, and then we got it. Then we'll stitch off that. Start going across. And I think I left my hammer upstairs. I left my hammer upstairs. And I'm gonna fucking go right now, so I'm just gonna use my pliers now. We'll see how well it is. That's it. That's got it. So clearly using pliers is probably not your best thing, but there is lines on the back here. Right there. So you make sure you go on this side of the line. But clearly, I don't know what the fuck I was thinking there. But it is what it is. We'll fix it.